Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case this is your first time checking out one of my videos, my name is JANIE Salazar, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Blendiful by Tati. And in case you don't know who Tati is or the Blendiful, Tati is a YouTuber, a beauty guru who has millions of subscribers and has her own brand of beauty products, and she came out with this Blendiful, which is like a replacement of a beauty sponge. Just think of it like that. And what's so special about the Blendiful is that it is flexible and that it's supposed to leave no harsh lines whatsoever and supposed to make your makeup look more smooth. So I am here to review this and tell you guys the truth and nothing but the truth, if it's true or not, and you guys will see the real tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, guys, because I have not opened it, and since you guys are special, I get to open it here with you guys. I've been wanting to try this out, guys. Oh, and it does come with two. So it comes with one Blendiful and a baby Blendiful. Ooh, this is very soft. So the Blendiful looks like this. And this is the other side. And you're supposed to put your hand through there and just apply your makeup. And then this is a smaller one. It's a heart shape. And the other side. These do retail for $18, so it is pretty reasonable. The Beauty Blender is also about the same, I believe. So I already did my shadow eyeliner, so all I have to do is apply my foundation, contour, and bronze, and the rest of the stuff. So I'm going to start by using my Fit Me foundation, and I use the Maybelline in color 118, but it's actually too pale for my skin. I had to put some darker foundation for it to match me because it was too pale. Oh, I don't even want to use it. It's so pretty and soft. Pretty, guys. It's not supposed to be pretty, but I don't know how to do it. So you just apply the foundation on here, or what? That's what I'm gonna do. And the cool thing about this Blendiful is that it does not waste any product like the Beauty Blender. It does not soak up the foundation, so it doesn't waste any product. So we'll see, guys. Oh, I could feel the product on there for sure, guys. I should take off my earrings. Alright, guys, let me zoom in. Alright, y'all, I zoomed in. So now I'm going to try to apply some foundation. I seen her video when she was talking about the product. You can use it any way you'd like. There's no wrong way to use it, just whatever works for you. This is very different, guys. It's just gonna take me some time to get used to it. I swear, guys, my face looks flawless. Flawless. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna use this mirror because I need something closer. Can you guys catch that? Guys, I think this is a winner. Like, no lie. I say like a lot, so if you don't like that, I'm sorry. Guys, dude, my face looks freaking flawless. I'm not exaggerating. It looks flawless. Like, it looks really flawless. I'm just using a little bit on there because it's not like the Beauty Blender that you pour your makeup on the Beauty Blender and it'll soak it all up. No. So what I'm doing is that I'm stippling it onto my face, and that works so much better for me. I tried rubbing it like this, and it is leaving a little bit of, you know, streaks, but the stippling is definitely leaving my face very airbrushed looking. I'm not exaggerating, unless it was my primer, but I doubt it because I use primer on other days and it does not look as flawless as it does today. Check it out. It is flawless, guys. I finished it, guys. I was waiting for my dogs to stop barking and I finished all that drink. Alright, you guys, now I'm ready to blend my contour and highlighting. Let me try the swiping motion. It is definitely harder to blend the contour. Now I'm gonna use the little one for here. I don't know how to feel about it, guys. I am holding my thoughts together for the end of this video. Now I'm gonna use this small little Blendiful and bake. Alright guys, while I bake, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eyeshadow and I'll be back. Alright guys, I am finally done with my makeup. I know I said I was only going to finish the rest of my eyeshadow, but I went ahead and finished it all because I was done using my Blendiful. So give me a sec so I can zoom out and close this out for once and for all. Alright guys, so are y'all ready for my final thoughts? Alright guys, so for the TatiBeauty Blendiful, I loved it. I think I like it so much better than the Beauty Blender. It made my face look airbrushed. It did take me longer than usual to blend out my contour. I did notice that the stippling method when applying my foundation worked so much better than streaking it on or what do you say that? Streaking it on? Then swiping it on. It worked way better. And I like how it came with a smaller one so that way you can use it on smaller areas where you can't really get to. Like under your eye or right here, or you know, just anywhere you need it that is hard to get to. So I do recommend this product if you guys are thinking of purchasing it. It's worth a try. The Beauty Blender is about the same price, but this one you're able to throw it in the washer and wash it, and it also does not waste as much product as the Beauty Blender, so that is a plus, guys. So definitely worth a try, guys. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you have any video requests, make sure you guys comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And hit the bell for notifications so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, bye. Y'all like my black hair though? I think I like it better than my blonde. It looks good.